And hello there, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest 30 Minutes fantasy. We have the Rosan Swordsman. Yes, and as you can see in the box art, this is from Rosan. The Rosan flag is right there on the right. We have the full body figure and, of course, the uh, close up shot of the Rosan Swordsman, and he's kind of bluish. And off to the side, here it is, the Rosan Swordsman. We are still using the Silhouette 1. Back to the Silhouette 1, we already had introduced the Silhouette 2 with the Fighter, and the Silhouette 3 with the Wizards. And here it is, the Swordsman, fully clothed and fully armored, and you can change him into, or class up armor him into the Rosan Gladiator. And off to the other side, here it is, back and front, Rosan Swordsman, some information about the 30 Minutes Fantasy line. And opening up and seeing what's inside the box, we see one bag with silvers and dark blues, another bag with more silvers and dark blues and a clear blue, more of that dark blue, and dark blue and some dark grayish blue, and of course the instruction manual here and how you can get him into a Rosan Gladiator, and of course the current item that we have, which includes the Lancer, the Assassin, the Wizard, and of course the Archer. Now let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. And starting off with a familiar sprue coming from the Liver Knight line, yes, we have the A sprue here, and then the B sprue. Since this is Silhouette 1, this is very familiar to you guys already. And the D sprue, actually it has a D1 and then a D2, an E1 sprue, and then an E2 sprue here. Yes. And of course the old familiar F2 sprue, and then the F3 sprue, which is the clear blue. And here is the armor parts for the Gladiator, or sorry, the Swordsman, which is all silver. And here's the last one. Pretty much similar to the Liver Swordsman. And there you have it, 30 Minutes fans and folks. This is what's inside the box of the Rosan Swordsman, which is the latest of the 30 Minutes fantasy line. And yes, as you can see, since we are using the Silhouette well, most of the sprues are very familiar, coming from the Liver Knight, the Rosan Knight, down to the priests, into the archers, and of course the assassins and lancers, and of course most of the armor parts feels somewhat similar to the Liver Swordsman, which was released earlier this line. And yes, this is a second water elemental for the Rosan, the first one being the Assassin, and I am truly hoping that Liver should have more fire elementals, fire cores, because only the Swordsman is the very first uh, fire core elemental for the Liver. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, share the videos, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.